Hello guys, welcome back. Today on this video, I will show you how to install Among Us mod menu. Now this mod menu that I will show you has a cool 30+ features, including always see the imposter, always imposter, no kill cooldown, full lights, and you can walk fast as fuck. Without further ado, let's get started. As always, the 3 easy steps, which is first go to the download link description below. Second step, download the APK file. Then the third step, install the APK file and enjoy being cheater. If you ever experienced some issues at the APK file or to this mod menu, please comment down below and I will try to reply and help you. Because the latest video of Among Us mod menu that I uploaded, a lot of them said it didn't work. And now let's proceed to the game mod menu. So my favorite features of this mod menu is that you can see the imposter and you can see the player's status up right here by turning on the show crew imposter. My device is Android, and I don't know if this mod menu will work to iOS device. So if you're using iOS device, check it out first and maybe it will work. The problem here is that sometimes the game will lag. Bugs in the game will crash and that's annoying. But if you want a simple Among Us mod menu, go to this video and check it out. And that's all on today's video. I hope I'll see you at the next one. Peace out guys.